good afternoon, guys. This is Christian Pur of NowPlanet.tv, and I'm here now with Mr. Rico De Los Santos, the Marketing Communications Manager of Nord International Distributors. Mr. De Los Santos, thank you very much for accepting our invitation for an interview.
Yes.
And we're here now live in the SMX convention during the Graphic Expo. Sir, maybe you could tell us more about the Nord International Distributors.
Okay. And Nord International Distributors is the we believe that we are a solutions partner of print service providers in the Philippines. We primarily distribute digital visual communication products and solutions. That's what we do. We focus on digital products as far as visual communications is concerned. That would include graphic design solutions, etc. Right now, we are the official channel partner of Hewlett-Packard. Right now, we are the official channel partner of HP, Hewlett-Packard, in the distribution of commercial and industrial presses in the Philippines. We recently acquired the distribution of design jets of HP. Years back, we acquired the distribution of HP Cytex and design jet printers for on large format printing for sign and display, point of purchase materials, etc. We also acquired the distribution of HP Indigo. It's the digital press of HP, which concentrates on general commercial printing and also on labels and packaging. Okay, we are quite unique on that extent because compared to other countries, HP would operate on several channel partners depending on the graphic business solutions. But on the Philippines, we handle all. We handle the DesignJet technical printers, we handle the HP Cytex, we handle the HP DesignJet latex technology, and we also distribute the HP Indigo.
Okay.
So it's quite a lot. We support them technically. We have engineers that would support our clients, our customers, which are primarily printers.
Okay. Is this how many times have you been participating in the Graphic Expo? Is this your many years already? Or?
Well, I'm not sure with the number of dates, but
sure,
as far as I can remember, we always participate with the Graphic Expo.
Perfect. Now, given
year after year,
given the industry of the graphic industry, what would be the future of Nord for this year? What would be the future of Nord moving forward?
Okay, this is our position. We are a distributor of digital visual communication products. We will only distribute, and we have focused ourselves distributing either the #1 brand, which is of course HP, or let's say if not, a #2. But we would always consider the top quality global brands and bring it to the Philippines as far as visual communications is concerned.
Okay.
The next one, we are a promoter of latex technology. We are a promoter of latex technology, and latex printing technology is the only environmentally friendly certified printing solution that is available for us in planet Earth. Okay?
Oh, interesting.
It's child-friendly. Printing using latex technology, you could use it in, you print on something and you make it a wallpaper inside the hospital. That can be possible. It doesn't emit fumes, so you could use it as an interior, the decoration that you print on. You could use it as an interior of your own house, of your own home. That's what we do. The next one, we are an advocate of digital solutions. We believe that the future is on the web. We believe that the future is e-commerce. So our printers are capable of being distributed via internet. We have a technology called the web to print. So we offer solutions on that structure. We believe that things would be ordered online You can design your own wallpaper. You could design your own posters or photo book. You could customize them individually. You know, customers can customize them, personalize them, and order them online. So we are an advocate of that web-to-print solution.
Interesting, interesting.
Okay? The next thing is that we are an advocate of profitability. You know, you can buy an equipment that is really cheap, but in 5 years you have not recuperated anything at all because the versatility of the machine is quite narrow. But as far as our products are concerned, we carry products that are profitable for your business. Okay, let's say for instance, this is the flatbed.
Well, what product is this?
This is the HP Cytex FB500. It's a printer that prints on anything. It can print on flexible material, carpet, banners. It can print on doors, rigid materials. Okay? So what is good about this printer is this. Let's say if you produce signages, you print it on a sticker, then you place it on a Sintra. It takes time. It takes an amount of money. Here, you print it direct. If you have wood as a material base, you could a flat wood like a plywood or a door, you could print on it directly. So it saves you costs. It saves you resources. It saves you a time to market. It takes about production time like a day, and you already give it to clients. And when clients receive their orders in a very short amount of time, they're happy, right? And when clients receive something that is really beautiful and it wows them, they're also happy. And if they're happy, they pay.
Yes.
So
Perfect,
it's profitable.
perfect. In the Philippines right now, who are your top customers right now in the market right now?
Well, if you look at all the billboards along, EDSA, if you see something that's really, really beautifully done, chances are they are our clients.
Okay.
All
right.
If you
perfect.
see something inside the malls, let's say if you go in a department store and you see a wall and it's done beautifully, high resolution print on the wall, chances are that printer is our client. Okay? What else? If you go inside the malls and you have your pictures printed on a photo book, okay, and it's really beautifully done, like like a coffee table book, chances are that printer is our client. So most of our clients are really the top 5 within the printing industry right now. Okay, and it's all done digitally. It's done on a digital solution process.
Okay. Maybe any last words? Maybe you can invite your consumers, your fans out there.
Okay.
And here in the Graphic Expo.
Our theme for this, Nord's theme for this Graphic Expo is inspiring you. We want to inspire you, grow your business. So if you want to be inspired and be able to have no limit in your imagination in doing your business, if you want to do anything like market any product, promote any product, you wanted to, if you have brand owners as your clients, come to our exhibition and we will show you how can you be inspired and inspire your clients. We will help you grow your business. Okay, we are here for every entrepreneur or businessman who wanted to grow their business. So that's our purpose. So come to our exhibition and we will inspire you.
Would you have a website or a telephone number that they can call or visit?
www.nord.com.ph.
Okay. Perfect.
Hi. What we have right now here is the Kornit Digital. This is a digital direct on garment printer. It prints on jeans, it prints on t-shirt. This is a sample. We are right now going to demo print a denim, okay, and print directly on it. Now, what is really exciting about this direct on garment printer is that, for one, it's water-based, so it's environmentally friendly, okay? The next one, it can actually print on a irregular surface. So as you can see here, you have the jeans pocket, and we print directly on the jeans pocket, and it goes through that onto the textile itself, right? So it's an irregular, uneven surface. That's a unique feature of the Kornit Digital, okay? And then, of course, printing using the Kornit Digital, you could, it does have a feel. Of course, you can print on it, but as you can see, if you touch it, okay, if you touch it, it's like it doesn't have any print at all. It's like part of the textile. See, so that's how you. That's the beauty about the Kornit Digital. And then one thing, as you notice, if you can notice, do you notice that? It's printed on the button. The design is directly printed on the button itself, you know. So that means more versatility, more creativity for the designers, for the jean designer, for the fashion designers, for the textile designers. That means more freedom on their creative output on printing. And that is what is exciting about the Kornit Digital. Your limit is your imagination. Okay? Okay. Sayang, sana nag-print. Tayo nag-print, no?
Ipaprocess pa.
Okay. Okay, ko na lang sa kanila. Okay. Okay na? Ah.